In this update, we take you to the Techiman Nkonsia Wenchi Road, a 32.6-kilometer road construction project currently underway in Ghana. The coverage begins at Aminkrom, where significant corridor clearing and shoulder formation works have been carried out along both sides of the road. These preparatory activities are critical to the successful reconstruction of the corridor. Road clearing removes vegetation, trees, and other obstructions within the right-of-way, creating adequate space for construction operations while improving visibility and safety for road users. Shoulder formation works are also progressing steadily, helping to define the full width of the future roadway, improve drainage, and provide structural support for the pavement. The importance of this road corridor is immediately evident from the surrounding landscape. The area is dominated by extensive cashew plantations and other farming activities, with numerous farming communities depending on the road for the transportation of agricultural produce. Once completed, the improved road will significantly reduce travel times, lower transportation costs, improve access to markets, and reduce post-harvest losses. This will enable farmers to move cashew nuts and other agricultural products more efficiently to major commercial centers, thereby improving incomes and supporting economic growth throughout the corridor. We also capture the contracted site operated by Volta Impex, which serves as an important operational hub for the project. The strategic location of the site camp allows for the rapid deployment of construction equipment, materials, engineers, and personnel to various sections of the 32.6-kilometer project. This reduces travel time for machinery, improves operational efficiency, and enhances project coordination. It supports the timely execution of works along the corridor. The drive-through from Nkonsia to Aminkrom reveals the scale of the ongoing works, including extensive vegetation clearing and right-of-way preparation. Along the route, the road passes by the Istakwama Senior High School, as well as several basic schools serving communities within the project. The improvement of this corridor will provide safer and more reliable transportation for students, teachers, school administrators. Better road conditions will improve access to educational facilities, reduce travel difficulties during the rainy season, and facilitate the movement of school supplies and services to these communities. Returning to the aerial view, the strategic importance of the corridor becomes even more apparent. The vast agricultural lands, thriving farming communities, educational institutions, and the contractor operational facilities all highlight the role of this road as a key development corridor. Beyond serving local communities, the Techiman Nkonsia Wenchi Road forms an important transport link within the Bono and Bono East regions, supporting the movement of vehicles, agricultural produce, goods, and services. The improved road is expected to stimulate trade, strengthen regional connectivity, encourage investment, and contribute to broader socio-economic development across the corridor. This road is highly strategic for surrounding farming communities. Once completed, it will improve market access, reduce transportation costs, enhance road safety, and facilitate the efficient movement of goods and people across the Bono and Bono East regions.